Hi, this video is to show you how to use EasyBib, which is a Google add-on, and basically will be used in a variety of classes throughout high school to show where you found your sources. Okay, so go up into our 9 boxes here. We're going to open up a Google Doc. And once you have a Google Doc open, you click Add-ons. All right, you're not going to have these. All right, and you can add some of these on later if you want. But for now, we're going to go Get Add-ons. And you can either search for it up here, but chances are it will be the first thing you see. So click EasyBib, then click on Free. Click on your school account so it knows it's always connected to your school. And scroll down and click Allow. Okay. So once you've added EasyBib, you only have to do that once, and then it's always connected. Okay. So basically, anytime that you need a bibliography because your teacher has told you so, the best and fastest way to do it is to use EasyBib. And so once again, you're just going to go Add-ons, click Manage Bibliography, and on the right-hand side, some information will pop up. Now you have a choice between books, journal article, or websites. And most of the time, you're just going to be using a website. So we'll click Website, and all you have to do is copy and paste the website that you were using as a source. All right, so we'll do that now. Click Search, and you'll see my one came up. I'm going to select it. Now I have to decide what style. The main styles are MLA, APA, or Chicago. Very important, you ask your teacher what style they want, because they are slightly different. Okay, I'm going to go with Chicago. And then when I'm ready to go, I'm going to go Add Bibliography to Doc. And you'll notice there's my source. And it's all sorted and done in the correct format. Very, very simple.